welcome back. As you just saw, or maybe are seeing right now, Dad and I just blew apart the steering column, and that's going to get set aside for now to get cleaned up and freshened up and reassembled at a later date. I don't know if that'll make a video or not, but I think now we're hopefully going to move on to mounting up some of the rest of the steering stuff. So we've got pitman arm and other linkages that I don't know the names of because this is like pre-rack and pinion tractor stuff, but that's the plan. See how far we can get in this episode, and hopefully you guys stick around and enjoy. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Okay, so we took the old cover, or I guess blanket, is what we've been using, off the engine. I haven't seen it in a while, but man, oh man, is she pretty. In case you guys forgot. And yes, Dad got some new valve covers. Those are pretty spiffy. But anyway, I think we've decided that we'll start with the steering box. It's as good a place of any to start, I guess. As good of a place as any. And this is not factory to this car. This is some other, you say it's an A-body part?
A or B, yeah, it's a manual.
Manual
Gearbox off of an older A or B body. I don't really know what.
This is a Jim sourced it for us part, I believe.
From power to manual.
So yeah, like Dad just said, going manual steering, free up some room, free up some weight, free up some ponies. And yeah, so hopefully you'll see a little montage of getting that, I think, somewhere over here. I'm pretty sure. We'll find out. Wish us luck. Woo! Okay. As always, that got away from us. It's dark now. Dad and I have been out here playing with the car all day, but yeah. I mean, I don't know if it's gonna translate well to video, but we got a lot done. Like, we got the steering column is all broken down, and again, this is all gonna get cleaned up. We're replacing the ignition switches, and all the wiring is getting replaced. The lock cylinder is getting replaced. So all of that's going to get cleaned up and replaced. I don't know if that might be boring. I don't know if that'll be a video or not, but you got to see us take it apart. And then we got the steering stuff. We got the manual box, which is actually like pretty quick. What's that called? Yeah,
Radius,
I don't know.
Yeah.
Anyway, it doesn't take very many turns of the wheel to turn of the steering wheel to turn the wheels of the car. But anyway, Dad, check it out. The wheels are connected. We have not seen this as a car in my lifetime, really. I mean, I was probably like 2 the last time this thing was together, and man, just there's an engine, there's wheels, there's suspension. We're getting stoked. Again, I'm not sure how exciting this video will be, but if nothing else, we're keeping you up to date. So, thank you guys for watching. We hope you enjoy. Be sure to let us know what you think in the comments. Let us know everything we did wrong, because it was a head scratcher of a day. And
As always.
yeah, as always. And yeah, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Thumbs up.
It has been a blast. We appreciate you watching.
Yes, as always. And if you want to support the channel, feel free to give us a subscribe.
Right here.
And if you want to see more of the project we worked on today,
Move it over here.
and if you want to see any of the other ill-guided automotive antics on the channel,
Click his gut.
or potentially here.
Right over his face. Ah!
Thank you guys as always for watching, and we hope to see you in the next one.